And his opponent, ladies and gentlemen, from Big Yellow Boxing Gym, Padre Burgos, Southern Leyte. Let's give it up for Orlando Senok Jr.
Kinumo, grabe ni kasulit. Kung pag-iay, dili mi diri palupig. Bisag pila pa kabuok ng inyong iabang. Anda mo at upang, dili na talikdan. Dili ni mo atras, bisag pila pa'y mo babad. Di ni mapunan, basta bulan na manumbag. Buksingerong bulanon, bang pabilin na gihapong likon. Ikapse, dili palkanse, kada igo mo apante. Sa daning ako.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is 6 rounds of professional boxing in the flyweight division. We have our 3 judges scoring at ringside. Judge Ray Caitom Jr., Judge Angelito Piquero, and Judge Angelito Buwakin. And when the bell rings, the referee in charge of the action, Referee Melchor Arong. Our official timekeepers, we have Mark Jason Gardose and Red Jimentisa. Our official ring physicians, Dr. Vladimir Gerardco and Dr. Arnold Dasio Cagulada. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, official weight 110 pounds, professional record, 2 wins, 2 losses, and 2 draws, with one of his win came by way of knockout. From Buena Vista, Bohol, Philippines, let's make some noise for Kier Torregosa. And his opponent across the ring, ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the red corner. Official weight 112.4 pounds, professional record. He is undefeated in 2 bouts, with 2 of those wins came by way of knockout. From Big Yellow Boxing Gym, Padre Burgos, Southern Leyte. Let's make some noise for Orlando Senok Jr. Referee Melchor Arong will now give instructions to our boxers.
Okay. No headbutt, no low blow. Protect yourself at all times. Obey my command at all times. Okay. Touch luck. Good luck.
Round number 1.
University Tagbilaran, Bohol for Kumong Bolanon 15. Twenty-year-old Orlando Senok from Southern Leyte is facing Kier Torregosa, 24 years old from Cebu.
A young prodigy from a Big Yellow Boxing Stable in Cebu. Dubbed as the second coming of John Real Casimero, sabi ng mga camp niya. Parang may kilala ako yung may tattoo din sa sa mukha doon sa parte ng Parañaque naman
Oo. Alam mo, tinanong ko actually si Orlando what his tattoos mean. Alam mo yung sinabi niya?
Wala lang.
Oo, maganda lang daw. As it should,
Yeah.
Kasi ito nga naman, very eye-catching, very, it makes him stand out, kumbaga. It's hard to forget.
And also, si Torregrosa is also a tough fighter also. We cover Torregrosa several times dito sa Cebu and Bohol. He is a top customer, and if Senok is not careful on this fight, may lakas din tong Torregrosa.
Yes, certainly a good matchup. Itong si Kier Torregosa actually faced our champion kanina na si Reggie Suganov, no? And also some of the names in that division like Marco Pomar, he also faced him. Ito namang si Senok, partner, has been victorious in his past 2 fights. Nag-debut lang itong si Senok noong 2023 left
The
overhand.
left overhand by Senok did connect. These two young Warrior are bangers. So expect probably the fight will not last on 6 rounds.
They are both sitting on their punches. No light punches this time, partner. All power.
It seems that both of these type are like a mirror image to each other. Medyo may konting pagkakahawig in style and in the looks.
End of round number 1.
There you have it, the end of round 1. Arlando Senok of Team Big Yellow. And itong si Kier Torregosa from Cebu City na I think is training now here in Bohol, partner, ano?
What a good, very, very good size crowd. Nandito tayo sa, partner?
Sa Holy Name University.
Yeah.
Alam mo, partner, no, kanina ko pa gustong sabihin na hindi ko masabi.
Sige, sabihin mo.
How important it is to have
Yeah.
medic in the house.
Yes,
Just
of
witness kanina in our main event, of course. Well, you know what they say, it's normal. In boxing, it really is inevitable na magkaroon ng mga ganong pagkakataon. But that's what makes
Second sound.
professional boxing
Second sound.
Mabilis,
safer.
kailangan mabilis tayo.
Oo, kasi may nakaantabay na medic.
Pero kudos to the medics.
Round
Kanina,
number 2.
naasikaso agad si Kaya Ishikawa. Hoping for the best for the Japanese fighter. It's not an easy job to be a boxing official, partner,
Oh,
and a
certainly.
judge.
Oh, that was an uppercut. A sneaky uppercut that cut through for Senok, partner.
I like how you describe that punch. Talagang very sneaky.
Totoo, dinukot niya yung alas
Oh.
12 uppercut na yun, eh, no?
Oo. Talagang boxing term yung alas 12. Yung iba hindi talaga nila makukuha yun eh. Because but in a boxing lingo, alam ng mga mga
Certainly.
taong na involved sa sports na to.
Certainly, no? May iba-iba tayong klase din ng uppercut, ano? At alam mo ba, partner, isa yan sa mga alam mo yan, actually, isa yan sa mga mahirap na punches na ipapasok or itama.
Alam mo, ang ganda rin ng matchup na to, partner. Very underrated at walang nakakapansin sa matchup na to. Pero both of these fighter are hindi ko masabing veterano na yung Victor Gross. Pero
Yes, more fights.
pwede sabihin na natin both top customer in the ring.
Certainly, no? Itong si Senok just made his debut last year. Ito namang si Torregosa has had 8 fights already. So tama ka nga siguro. Medyo may pagka-veterano siya in terms of like how many fights he's had.
Sabi mo nga, he did fought several bright prospect dito sa Philippine boxing.
Oo, partner. Including, of course, yung ating main event ngayon na si Reggie Sugano.
Ang sarap din na makita na that fans are supporting their local boy here in Bohol, partner, di ba? Siyempre
Totoo.
kailangan sabi nga nila support your own people here in
course.
Bohol. And I think Reggie Sugano did make a big leap towards his quest for another world title shot.
And what a way for PMI and of course Sir Florizel Podo to bring a Japanese boxer here. If we cannot witness it in Japan, he brought the fight here.
Sabi nga nila, it's not an easy prey to send a Japanese fighter fighting here. Pero lahat ng yun ay ginawang posible ng PMI Bohol Boxing Stable.
And make no mistake, itong si Kai Ishizawa is a top prospect. He only lost to Masataka Taniguchi and of course our very own Vince Paras via split decision, And he has, I think in over 11 fights, he's had 10 knockouts. So they brought a dangerous Japanese boxer here in the Philippines to face the Filipino phenom. And of course, Reggie Sugano did everything he could and was successful
Round number 3.
to retain his WBO Global Light Flyweight title. Here we go. Back to the fight. Arlando Senok Jr. versus Kier Torregosa. Senok using that jab, a pulling jab to move Torregosa towards the rope. But what I like about Torregosa, very good. Just pure power from Arlando Senok. As I was saying, what I like about Torregosa is he's using his legs, His legs right now are still active. Alam mo, partner, itong word na footwork, it's a buzzword that we like to use today. But footwork can only be, or is only relevant when it's effective. And times, pag sinasabi na walang footwork yung isang boxer or flat-footed, it doesn't mean that it's not effective. It really depends on the situation. Most power punchers are not really nimble-footed. They're kind of flat-footed. They kind of move in a forward and backward motion. Ito namang mga lighter or yung mga boxers yung quite quick or quite agile, are fast. They have fast hands. But it really depends, Stylistically, we cannot say na parang it's easy to generalize, but really if you just appreciate all the styles of boxing, you can enjoy boxing fights even more. So back to the fight. Ito na nga, the heavy-handed Senok Jr. against the counter-puncher, Torregosa. Right now, Torregosa moving at the back foot, firing that jab to keep Senok Jr. away from him. So that shot went a little bit low. Just a few moments will be given to Kier Torregosa to recover from that. But he is ready to go in the final minute of round 3 in this fight scheduled for 6 rounds. Senok with that stiff jab. Torregosa answers with jabs of his own. It's important also for Torregosa to fire that jab because he doesn't want Senok to gain the momentum. Kagaya niyan, when he's trapped in that corner of the ropes. There you have it. Our referee Melchor Arong giving the 8 count and knockdown to the credit of Senok Jr. against Kier Torregosa. Final 10 seconds of this round. Torregosa moving away from the ropes. Comes back with 1, 2, and that was the end of round 3. Orlando Senok Jr. in the yellow shorts and itong si Torregosa white with some yellow trim.
Siyempre, nasa corner ni Senok yung the veteran coach Ping Ping Tepora.
Yes, partner. When you said a while ago that they're kind of like a mirror image of each other, tama ka dun, partner, kasi kung ano yung combination na ibigay nitong si Senok, ibabalik ni Torregosa. He doesn't shy away from engaging.
They're trying to bang with each other, partner, ever since
Certainly.
the start of round number 1.
An overhand by Senok right there, a left overhand. Torregosa trying to move off angle to land that right hand.
Senok is tested on this fight, partner. Alam ko, yung dalawang fight niya, early stoppage, if I'm not mistaken. Ito,
Tama
medyo
ka.
may konting hirap na pinagdadaanan si Senok on his young journey sa boxing career niya.
You are certainly right, partner. Itong si Senok won his fights via third and second round KOs respectively in his previous bouts. Right now, parang lumalagpas na tayo dun sa mark na yun,
Yes,
because
yes.
we are in round 4 already. A left hook by Senok right there. Torregosa answers with a straight.
Gandang laban din to, partner, no? Sabi ko nga sa iyo, walang pumapansin sa laban na to. Pero this is among the fight na talagang inaabangan ko. Kasi alam natin, both of the fighters are coming forward and wanting to win very badly sa career nila.
You're exactly right, partner. And they're not afraid to engage. Both of them are opening up. An overhand by Senok. Torregosa is moving backwards and is not afraid to trade with a hard-hitting Senok. Shoutout muna natin, partner pala, ang ating videographers today. Sir Ferdinand and the rest of the team giving you quality and live coverage here in Tagbilaran, Bohol. Ano?
Maganda. Tsaka they are very well prepared for this event. Everything is made just before the event opens. Talagang great camera angles and I really hope kung may mga boxing competition kayo dyan or sports in general, you could contact them for their services.
Certainly, no. Here in this part of the country in Bohol, they are bringing us a world-class video coverage. And here you go, some of the highlights of that round. That straight got through for Senok. Torregosa was able to absorb that quite well.
Second sound. Round number 5.
Here we go, round number 5. Orlando Senok of Big Yellow boxing team of Cebu versus Torregosa. Torregosa in the white trunks with yellow trim. Ito namang si Orlando Senok is also wearing yellow trunks. So Senok still bringing the forward pressure. Torregosa is trying to move away but was accidentally hit a little bit too low.
Yes, I think that was bit low blow by Senok. Siguro nadala rin siya ng ng adrenaline niya.
Right.
But we all know that Senok is not a dirty fighter.
Certainly, partner. Alam mo, in those exchanges wherein you're weaving and you're doing some body movements, hindi talaga yan maiiwasan. No?
Alam mo yung mga ganitong fighter like Torregosa, they all need is a break in a boxing, a good stable probably. And he could go a long way. Kasi pag fighter ka, matibay ka, nagtatrain ka, bago wala ka, matibay ang loob mo, may chance ka sa boxing.
Certainly, partner. And I think what makes this fight, like you said, no, this is something that you're looking forward to. What makes this exciting is pareho sila. They are both engaging, ano, kaya nakakakita tayo ng mga exciting na exchanges as we did, no, see kanina in the Reggie Suganov and Kai Ishizawa fight.
Tsaka yung batiin na natin yung head honcho ng Big Yellow, si Sir Seth Tio. I'm sure he is watching intensely dito sa live stream ng PMI Bohol Boxing Stable.
Definitely, partner, ano, at ang ating mga kaibigan dyan sa Cebu. Maayong buntag sa inyong lahat. Tama? Oo, galing ni partner ko. Maayong buntag sa inyong lahat. Please enjoy watching this fight card brought to you by PMI Boxing Stable.
What good is dito sa crowd natin o sa audience natin, they did not leave after the main event. A fair share of them did, I think, stick around and probably waiting for our co-main event and our supporting bout, a lady, female, should I say, a junior flyweight championship, a Philippine one.
Definitely, you know, like what Gab said yesterday. That was a straight that got through for Senok. Medyo na-dizzy ng onte si Torregosa but he was able to recover fast.
Matibay talaga yung Torregosa din.
And considering that he's using his legs, partner, talagang yung kanyang legs talagang perpetually moving around the ring up until this round, no? But Senok with those power punches, ano, bringing that forward pressure, targeting the head, the body. Final 10 seconds of round 5.
Equally very exciting match between Senok and Torregosa.
Round number 5.
There you have it, end of round 5. And like I said earlier, partner, yung ating female title fight later, the last time that Philippine title was on the line was in 2019. So it's really something that we should all look out for. Here are the highlights of the previous round.
Oh, he was caught by a right hook there. That stunned Torregrosa on round number 5. Yun, partner, no? Lusot,
Tama.
pasok.
Magaling ding mag-cut ng ring itong si Seno kasi itong si Torregosa, pansin ng ating mga audience, umiikot talaga siya around the ring.
Seconds out.
What
Seconds
Arlando
out.
Seno wants to do is to trap him to a place where there's no escape. That's so that he can land his power shots, you know?
Round number 6.
To the
Final round.
final round of this 6th round affair between Senok and Torregrosa. Pwede natin sabihin that both fighters are very well conditioned heading
Definitely.
to the final round of this boxing contest.
Kung itong si Torregosa, mapakita naman si Seno, kung makita mo, his punches are loaded with power. Torregosa signaling to his back.
Medyo sa kidney tumama partner.
Tama ka dun. Of course, the action is so intense, ano? The exchanges are so intense. Jab, overhand, Seno. Torregosa answers with a left hand.
Underrated yung Torregrosa, magaling gumamit ng lona partner.
But itong si Senok Jr. very calm, ano, uses his movements wisely. He just tries to go where Torregosa is headed, ano, para i-block niya yung escape point nitong si Torregosa.
Oh, nice left overhand by Torregrosa.
And body shot by Senok.
Kita mo partner, yung paghawak niya, yung paggamit niya ng lupit. Medyo it takes a lot of training to do that. Hindi yan overnight success yung paggamit ng lona in your favor.
You are absolutely right, partner. At ito namang si Senok Jr. What I like is how he frames Torregosa towards the ropes para maland niya yung power shot. If they get too close kasi hindi niya mapapatama. Look at that. Look at how he uses that stationary jab, ano, to find this range. Torregosa pedals back to the center of the ring. We are in the final 30 seconds of round 6. Senok landing those body shots.
Seconds of the final round.
That's the end of the round.
There you have it, the end of the 6th round bout in lasted the distance, partner. The first time that Arlando Senok was able to stand the distance because his first two fights ended in a KO. A tough test to the rising prospect, that is Arlando Senok against Torregosa. It was a good fight. Let's see the official decision. Let's wait for the official decision, partner. There you have it, Baba. You can see some of the highlights from the previous round. The forward pressure, the power punches of Senok versus the movement, and the sneaky punching of Kier Torregosa. Like we said, ano, punong-puno itong Holy Name University. Our Bolanon fans watching the fights live here in Bisperas Fiesta.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we announce the official result, let's give a round of applause to our two boxers inside the ring for giving us an exciting bout. After 6 rounds of professional boxing, we now go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Angelito Miguel. Scores it out 58 to 55. Judge Ray Angelito Jr. scores it out 59 to 54. And Judge Angelito Joaquin scores it out 58 to 55. And your winner by unanimous decision, Armando Seno Jr.
Senok registering his
Christopher Ping Ping Kimura.